Hi everybody, it's Katie Austin here, and we are gonna be doing a work break arms routine. So it's gonna be efficient, it's gonna be fast. It's something you guys can just tune in, press play while you're at work, or maybe you're working from home and you have just a few extra minutes in between your conference calls. It's great to re-energize, to refocus, but we're gonna focus a lot on sculpting and toning your arms with no weights needed, and also some posture, because when we're at our work desk, we need that. All right, we're gonna get started right away with some big shoulder openers. So try to think about lengthening those fingertips to the back of the room and opening up that chest. Now right here, starting with this move, inhale through the nose and exhale. Great, inhale, again lengthening back and exhale, wonderful. Right here, we're just getting a little bit more energy, getting our blood circulated, because of course, as you're sitting for a long time, we need to get our blood circulated. Great. For 3, 2, 1, big bear hug. So arms out, big bear hug in. Now working on that posture, opening up the chest to the ceiling, and thinking about also your lower half as you contract in, your core, your ribs are being tucked under, core tight, and then open up that chest. Great. Almost think about it like a cat-cow if you were on the ground, but say you're at your work desk, you don't have a mat, of course, so all of this is gonna be standing. Inhale, and then cat-cow. Great for 3, for 2, 1. We are gonna take these arms diagonal, so this is a nice posture stretch. So diagonally separating those arms right here, opening up the chest, coming middle and switch. This is one of my favorite posture exercises right here. Really thinking about your entire chest lengthening right here, your core still tight. And exhale for 3, for 2. Now, getting straight into some sculpting, we have arm circles. So, hands out beside you, tiny bit of bend in that elbow, not a super locked arm, tiny bit of bend, and tighten up those biceps. Nice work. Tighten up your core. Inhale for not to go to that second cup of coffee. Make sure you're really focusing on your breath work, right? Your breath, oxygen can give you so much energy. Now let's rotate that, switch the arms, the pace that you're going at. Go a little bit harder. And when I say go harder is you only know how much effort you're putting in, right? So I need you to give me 110% because it's quick. There's no weights needed. Nice work. 3, 2, elbows to the hips in 1, and lift. Elbows in and lift. Great. Keeping those shoulders down and away from your beautiful face. Slight bend in the knees. I don't know if you guys can see here. Also, LOL, I'm still wearing my freaking slippers here. So, making sure there's a slight bend in the knees. Your hips are tucked under and you have good posture. Shoulders down. 4, great. 3, we're gonna serve the platter to lift in 2, and 1. Serve the platter here while with your elbows in and lift. Great work. I wanted to give you guys some moves that you can do, you know, of course at your work desk, but a lot of the times we think to ourselves, what's 5 to 10 minutes gonna do? It adds up, number 1. It adds up, but also just makes you feel better. It makes you feel more productive. Energy levels are up, your positivity, productivity. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, arms up, lifted, tapping out those shoulders. Here we go. Nice work. If you have coworkers looking at you right now, who cares what you look like? You're doing something for you. We have 8, 7, 6. If you are in front of coworkers, I'm sorry, because this next move's not embarrassing, but at the same time, it's like just like LOL. 3, 2, we're gonna twist it out. Hold those hands right here, just twist, twist. It's not your average move, but it's really great for your core. And once again, your knees are slightly bent and you're just twisting. Booty is super tight too. Nice work. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, elbows at a 90-degree angle in one chest opener. Nice work. Really squeezing those back muscles. Squeeze, squeeze. And now I hope you're starting to really feel this. Keep breathing. Inhale through the nose. And exhale. Keep those shoulders down, away from your face. We're gonna hold those forearms together in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Prayer pulse in 2, 1. Holding the forearms together and pulse, pulse, pulse. Now, I want you guys to put lots of pressure between these forearms right here. Press between the palms. Nice work. This one is gonna get you. It doesn't look like much. Holy moly, you guys can do this while sitting too. What an amazing move to get your chest and your shoulders working. We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Overhead press in 1. Press it up. Nice work. Beautiful, you guys. Thanks for joining me today. Really pressing something to the sky for 8, 7, 6, 2. We have triceps in 1. Tricep kick back. Hinge that booty back. Triceps. Nice work for the back of those arms. Right there. Getting the triceps and just making sure you're squeezing right there as you press. Palms to the ceiling. You're hinging forward just slightly. Nice neutral neck and spine. 8, 7, 6, 5. Squeeze extra tight. 4, 3, 2. Arms come overhead in 1. Little baby standing crunches. Now, we're gonna get the energy level back into it, okay? To refocus, re-energize, really pull down. Lat pull downs as you lift a knee up. Wonderful for the core. Here we go. Just a tiny bit low impact cardio, just get the blood circulated. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Almost there. 8, 7, 6. You got it. Lower abs. Really engage them as you pull that knee up, up. For 3, 2, 1. Arms come out. Lengthen, let's go side to side, just like that. To get the core moving just a little bit more. Bicep toning as well. Pull to each side, almost like you're pulling a rope to each side. Nice work. Inhale and exhale. For 3, for 2. We're gonna scissor those arms in front in 1. Nice work. So close to being done. Here we go. Beautiful. Almost there. For 3, 2, hold these arms out. In 1, we're just gonna take that finger, those fingers back and stretch out. Forearms and the wrists. Maybe you've been at your desk and you're typing a lot. If you're like me and you work on your phone, you still really need to make sure that you're stretching out your wrists because they carry a lot of tension. Nice work, you guys. Pulling those fingertips towards you, not too much pressure. And then roll out your hips. Next up, we have our neck. Slight little roll out. Beautiful. Inhale, rolling out your neck. And exhale, letting it go. One more big roll, really dropping those shoulders down and back. My neck just really cracked right there. Nice work, you guys. Dropping the neck forward, dropping those shoulders away, and just roll them out. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we're gonna end how we started for that full circle movement. Now, notice how you feel doing these. Hopefully you get feel a little bit of spiciness in your upper body, but you feel a little bit re-energized, better posture. I feel for me, I even have better posture right now. Nice work, you guys. Take note of just 10 minutes on how you can be feeling. Wonderful. For 3, for 2, and 1. Nice work, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick 10-minute work break arms. I hope you guys feel wonderful, and I will see you at your next daily workout. Remember, every little thing adds up, so make it count. Mwah.